Adobe, the name that once meant Photoshop, now means a billion apps that you can't even track of. It's like all of a sudden they wanted to win the most softwares award. And they probably won't stop mass producing their softwares until their programs are the only ones in our PCs. So, this relentless expansion begs the question of whether it's a creative goldmine or just pure chaos. Grab some popcorn because we are unpacking this hell of a wreck. In 1988, Adobe announced its most iconic product, Photoshop. It was a game changer for digital design and photo editing. But fast forward to today, Adobe has literally a product for everything, from photo editing to video production, graphic design to web development, and even digital marketing. If there is a creative task, Adobe has a tool for it. But the kicker is that at this point, there are over 50 different Adobe products. Yep, you heard it right. The Adobe Creative Cloud seems like a dream come true, offering access to all Adobe apps, cloud storage, fonts, and more. However, the reality is that while each product is powerful individually, using them together creates a complex web of features and functionalities, making it feel like navigating an inescapable maze. Plus, the overlap is real. Need to create vector graphics? Well, use Illustrator, or Photoshop, or even After Effects. Confused yet? So is everyone else. Adobe's approach can feel like they are handing you a Swiss Army knife with a million blades. Each one is useful, but good luck figuring out which one to use and when. Take Photoshop and Illustrator for instance. Both can handle vector graphics, but Illustrator is a dedicated vector tool, while Photoshop's vector abilities are just a bonus. It's a fine line that Adobe keeps blurring, making it harder for users to decide which tool to use. The tangled web continues with Premiere and After Effects. Premiere is your go-to for video editing, while After Effects handles animations and visual effects. But both can perform basic tasks of the other, leading to redundancy that makes the learning curve steeper. Not to mention additional tools like Audition for audio and media encoder for exporting. That's 4 different tools that turn a simple video project into a multi-app juggling act. The complexity doesn't stop here. Each app has its own set of features and interfaces. Like Photoshop's layer styles are different from Illustrator's vector effects, which are different from After Effects motion graphics. And let's not even get started on the updates. Adobe's frequent updates mean you're constantly learning and relearning how to use those tools. Features move, interfaces change, and just when you think you've mastered one aspect, Adobe throws a curveball. Given these conditions, one might wonder if Adobe is at risk of losing its customers. Cause it's not the only player in town anymore. There has been a mass production of user-friendly tools in the past few years. And as creators look for ways to streamline their workflows and reduce complexity, they might start to question the necessity of Adobe's sprawling suite. Tools like Figma and Canva have capitalized on this trend, offering user-friendly interfaces and powerful features. Why wrestle with the complexity of Photoshop, Illustrator, or XD when you can achieve great results with Figma's collaborative design platform or Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface? The same goes to video editing. Softwares like Filmora and CapCut has been gaining traction as easier alternatives to Premiere Pro and After Effects. With their simpler interfaces and built-in effects, those softwares allow users to create professional-looking videos without the steep learning curve. And yes, I get it. I know Adobe is gambling. They are trading off easier learning curve to be masters of all trades. And I know they won't be out of the market anytime soon, or even forever. But is it worth it? Let me know what you think in the comment section.